In the cozy corner of a bustling city, a professional cat behaviorist named Alex is on a mission. Every day, she helps overwhelmed cat owners understand their furry friends better by analyzing quirks and behaviors. One challenging case involved a cat named Whiskers, notorious for his destructive habits. Through patience and gentle training, Alex helped Whiskers find comfort in his surroundings. Every cat has a unique story, she says, emphasizing the importance of perspective. For anyone considering this path, Alex advises, be empathetic and always keep learning. Every cat teaches you something new. Her journey proves that a career in understanding feline behavior can be both rewarding and transformative.